In this challenge, you have to define your own exceptions, that is user defined exceptions. So we will take one example problem. In that, I will explain you what are the exceptions that you have to define. So here we will take an example of a class that is stack. We will develop a class called stack. So first of all, I will explain you what does it mean by stack. Stack is a data structure which works on LIFO, last in first out. It can be implemented using array. So this is a fixed size array 0 to 4. The size is 5. The elements are inserted and deleted in this array in LIFO fashion, last in first out fashion. There will be a pointer. Actually, it's an index pointer. It's not C++ pointer. There will be a pointer called top that will be pointing on the topmost element in the stack. Right now, stack is empty because top is equal to -1. So it means if top is equals to -1, then the stack is empty. Yes, there's an empty condition. So right now, if I try to delete something, there is nothing in the stack. So there is nothing. So if there is nothing, then we say we are trying to delete, but nothing can be deleted. Then we say stack underflow. We say stack underflow. So stack underflow is an exceptional situation. So yes, this is an exception. So if you are trying to delete from an empty stack, then it's an exception, stack underflow exception. Let us see how to insert the elements and then how to delete the elements. Suppose I want to insert the elements. So first of all, increase top pointer and make it point on 0. Make it point on 0. Then insert the value. Let us say I want to insert value 15. The next, I want to insert one more value. So just increment the top pointer to 1 and insert the value. Let us say value is 20. You can see that the topmost value in the stack is 20 and the top is pointing there. If I continue inserting the values like this, like 17 and 4 and 12, then top may be pointing on 4. So now top is pointing on 4. So stack is full right now because stack is size -1 position. So when you say stack is full, if top is equals to size -1, then we say stack is full. If I try to insert now, there is no space. The element or the value that you are inserting will overflow. So we say stack overflow. Yes, this is also an exception. So when you are trying to insert, there may be an exception that is stack overflow. And when you are trying to delete, there may be an exception that is stack underflow. When top is equals to size -1, stack is full. And when top is equals to -1, stack is empty. Let us delete some values. I want to delete the value. So we say we are taking out this value from the stack and we will decrement the top pointer. Top minus, top value pointing on 3. So this is how we delete. So while inserting, we were going up. While deleting, we will come down. Always the new value is inserted on the top and the value is deleted from the top. So that's why it is last in first out. So whichever was the last value inserted, that same value will be deleted. So this is the explanation of a stack. Now next, what you have to do is you have to define two classes for exceptions, that is stack overflow exception and stack underflow exception, and also override two string methods for them so that they give the description of exception. The description is stack has overflown, stack has underflown, some message you can give. And then you have to write a class called stack, and in that stack class you should provide the methods push for inserting an element which will increase top and insert the value, and this should throw overflow exception. Okay, this exception, overflow exception. And you must write one more method, that is pop, which will delete an element by decrementing the top and taking out the value and decrementing the top, and this pop should throw stack underflow exception. So you have to write down total 3 classes. One class for stack flow overflow exception that extends from exception, stack underflow exception, and third is stack. So first one is stack overflow, second one is a stack underflow, and the third one is stack. These are the 3 classes you have to write. This is a challenge. And then you can write a main method also, and if you want, you can test them by writing try and catch block. So pause the video and write down the code by yourself, and if you want help, then you can continue watching. I will be showing the code. Let us look at the code. I have written a class called stack overflow extends exception. See, when you write a class for your own class for exception, it's better you use the name exception along with the class. It shows that it's a class for exception. But to make the name short, I have not used word exception. So this extends an exception. Now toString method is there. It is returning stack as full message. Stack underflow exception extends exception. Then it is having toString method which says stack is empty. This class, right? Now next is a class for stack which is having size and the top pointer initialized to -1, and there is an array S. I have taken a reference. Then inside the constructor, I am taking the size of the stack and I am setting the size, this property, as well as creating an array of that size, integer array size. A push method throws stack overflow exception, right? If top is equals to size -1, then throw a object of stack overflow. Otherwise, increase top and assign the value. Then same way, pop throws stack underflow and pop returns a deleted value. So I have taken one variable x, that is -1. Then top, if it is equal to -1, we cannot delete. So throw stack underflow exception. Otherwise, take the value, decrement the top and return the value. So this is a stack class which is utilizing these exception classes. Now let us go to main method. I have created an object of stack of size 5. Then I am calling push. You can see that there is an error here. If you read the message, unreported exception stack overflow must be caught or declared to be thrown. So let us catch this exception. Try and catch. Catch which one? I am just going to push the values, right? So stack overflow S. Then here I will just print that object of exception, system.out.println the object of exception. So already I am pushing two values. If I run, there is nothing because there is no output from the program. I am not printing anything. Only this is printed if there is an exception. So I will copy this. I will copy this one. Then I will paste it. Then paste it. So in this way, I will be pushing total 6 items, right? So 6 times. So after 5th item, I cannot insert any element. So I should get an exception. Yes, stack is full. I got a message. So only 5 are inserted, like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th one I am getting a message. 6th one I will comment it, then I will run. There will not be any output from the program. Yes, no output. When I try to insert a 6th one, then I am getting an exception. So this is stack full, stack overflow exception. I have shown you only a stack overflow. You check for stack underflow also. So hope you have done this program. If you have not done it, then you can write it at least now. Otherwise, you can also find a link below this video. You will find the code for this example or student challenge. So that's all in this video.